If the Instagram app isn't working properly, there are a few troubleshooting steps you can try to get it running again. First, check your internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data, or open a website to make sure your connection is working. Next, close Instagram completely and reopen it. Temporary glitches can often be fixed by simply restarting the app. If the issue continues, open the Play Store or App Store and search for Instagram. If an update is available, install the latest version of the app. You can also clear the app cache. Open your device settings, go to Apps, select Instagram, then open Storage and tap Clear Cache. After that, reopen the app and check if the issue is resolved. Another option is to force stop the app. Go to Settings, Apps, Instagram, and tap Force Stop, then launch Instagram again. If Instagram is still not working, restart your device and try opening the app once more. As a final step, uninstall Instagram and reinstall it from the Play Store or App Store. This can fix corrupted app files that may be causing the problem. And that's it. These are some of the most effective ways to fix Instagram when it's not working properly. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.